Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for September 12th to the 24th. For the period September 12th to the 16th, the patterns forecast to feature an amplifying eastern Pacific trough and a western ridge and eastern trough, more typical of a cold season pattern. Expect below normal temperatures across the eastern U.S. Temperatures of 20 to 30 degrees below normal are forecast from the eastern slopes of the Rockies into the plains. The ridge in the west will cause temperatures of 10 to 15 degrees above normal in some locations. We're looking now at the period for September 15th to the 19th. Models are still holding on to the subtropical ridge to the south. We have a trough here across the Aleutians, and we have a ridge over western North America, and we also have a ridge here. This trough over the north central plains will sink southward and slowly spread eastward. And I think there'll be some battle going on here in the weather because we're going to have extremes in temperatures. Very cool here, some snow in parts of the Rockies, and here very warm temperatures. So that's the GFS. And we're going to go forward in time, and we're going to go forward to the 8th to the 17th. And you can see the trough starts to slide eastwards. It slowly weakens. Still have our ridge, and a very strong trough here across northern Canada. The GFS. This is GFS ensembles, the Canadian deterministics, the Canadian ensembles, and the European ensembles and the Canadian ensembles here. Still see a ridge here pumped up around the west coast, a broad trough here across the eastern U.S. So during this, if you're showing here, like the Canadian ensembles are coming in alignment with the other patterns where yesterday's run they were showing pretty much a zonal flow at near to above normal temperatures or near to above normal heights across much of the nation. So the Canadian ensembles are coming in to more agreement with the other models. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting as it hangs up here a little bit. I am forecasting, there it is, and it just disappeared. I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures across much of this region of the nation. For precipitation, still calling for below normal precipitation from the west into parts of the plains. Now we're going to look at the period for September 20th to 24th. So I have to slide over, get ready in this position. Here's the 24th now. Here's the GFS, and the models are forecasting a de-amplification of the pattern. We still have our area of below normal heights here in the Gulf of Alaska, above normal heights developing here. That's the GFS. GFS ensembles we don't have during this period. Now this is the European ensembles, and here is the Canadian ensembles. Going back to what was originally forecasted, the European ensembles still showing an area of below normal heights and a trough here. In the Gulf of Alaska, we have a ridge over western North America and a trough here in the east. And the Canadian ensembles is going more back to a zonal flow with above normal heights across western North America, but still showing below normal heights in the Gulf of Alaska, and fairly weak trough here in over the eastern U.S. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures for this region. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here and above normal precipitation for this area. So that is the long-range weather forecast discussion for September 12th to the 24th. Thank you for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.